Okay guys, so something extremely exciting has happened, as you can probably tell from the title of this video already, and if you follow me on my other social media you will know that I've made it to the top 20 for the NYX Professional Makeup UK Face Awards 2018, and I am so excited. Yes, as you may know, I made it to the top 10 last year, and oh my gosh, what an experience it was. I thought I'd have another go this year, just because my head wasn't in the right place last year and I wanted to kind of see what I could do with my full focus in the game. My entry look was my unicorn, as you may have seen on this channel and also on my other social media, and I'm so thankful that I have been put back in the top 20. I know already what kind of a roller coaster this is and how amazing it is, so I'm really excited. Let's see if we can make top 5 this year, eh? Fingers crossed. Yes, let's get on with the unboxing because I've been waiting for days. I've not been here. I was in Kent when my box arrived. It was at my neighbour's. I had to wait to get it from my neighbour. So I am itching to see what is inside this box. As you can see, it's come. Oh my god, that is heavy. It's come like a present, and it's my birthday next week. I love this. Look, congratulations, Katy. That is a birthday present and a half. Congratulations, you're in the top 20. We are so excited to have you as part of the NYX Professional Makeup UK and Ireland Face Awards 2018. Thank you so much for your amazing entry video and a huge congratulations on making it through to the top 20. We can't wait to follow your journey through the competition. The theme for the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam. Yes, last year we had Disco Glam and it was a nightmare for me. Animal Kingdom Glam is so much more up my street. As a face painter, I'm painting animals all the time. I love animals. I already have ideas buzzing in my head. I can't wait for this theme. This theme is so good. Yay, this is so exciting. I can't believe I'm doing this again. This is so good. Thank you so much for the opportunity, NYX guys. Right, where to start? So we have a few Redken products in here. We have the Shine Flash Glistening Mist. We also have the backcombing finishing spray, and yeah, my hair, I like to backcomb it and it doesn't really stay up for long, so that is something I really want to try out. I'm quite excited. So we have those two. Have a cat in the box, as I think she was getting involved last year as well in the boxes. No, come on, move. We have the Highlight and Contour Cream Pro Palette. We have a heap load of brushes because a girl can never have too many makeup brushes, and the NYX brushes are amazing as well. Also have what I think is the entire collection of the Total Control Drop Foundation. I think we have it in literally like every shade, and the primer as well. All of these. Do really like the Total Control Drop Foundation as well. It's really lightweight but still has amazing coverage. It feels really nice on the skin. I had one last year and I absolutely loved it. This is definitely going to get a fair amount of usage. We also have quite a hefty amount of the Wicked lashes. There's like 9 pairs here. I like those ones, I think, best. Which are number 24. We have the Be Gone face wipes, which I think are going to be a godsend in the next few weeks. We have some gorgeous shades in the Shimmer Down pigments, and we also have a pigment primer. Here we have like possibly my favourite NYX products, which I'm wearing one of them now in shade Cans. These are the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream. These are to die for, I think my favourite shade is Cans, which I do have on now. Love it. They are, I love them. Havana as well. That is a beautiful shade. Here we have a ton of lid lingeries in matte colours. I've got some of these in like shimmery colours, and I use the rose gold one a lot, especially now I have rose hair. Yeah, some really nice shades that I think are going to be really useful. We have Vivid Bright Cream colours. They're a really nice creamy consistency and some gorgeous colours. We have a collection of the good old classic micro brow pencil, which I adore. I use the taupe shade, and before trying this, to try and find a blonde brow pen doesn't have like orange undertones was really, really hard. Since trying this, I felt like my brow life was changed forever. We have what looks like all of the special effects cream colours. Gold looks like it's going to be really nice. And also the setting powder for them. We have a load of gorgeous glitters. This copper shade is my favourite. Oh, I like these. We have a big collection here of the faux white liners. They are gorgeous pastel shades, which are great for doing like the inner corner of your eye, which is what I do that a lot because I'm tired a lot and it makes me look much more awake. In the past, I've already picked up this one here, which is the White Smoke, which is like a lavender colour. Picked that up from the Westfield flagship store. And I live by it. Now I've gone pink, it kind of really matches my colour tones. Quite a few pinky shades in here. Bit different from using just like a normal white liner in the corner of your eye and along your waterline. I really, really love these. I'm looking forward to trying out the pink shades. Because one can never have too many lip colours. We have these. I am loving these, especially this super hot pink colour. These are the Slip Tease full colour lip oils. I do have the lip oil, which hasn't got like a colour to it, just a lip oil that I use to kind of like nourish my lips and like prime them, and just it is amazing. I really suffer with dry lips, and the lip oil is incredible at keeping them moisturised and hydrated. So these are full colour lip oils, so I'm looking forward to trying them. That colour, look at it. That is, wow. What's the shade? Vacation. Shade Vacation. I'm loving that. That looks amazing. I want to put it on now. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. It's definitely a NYX pink. I think I have a new favourite, guys. I think I have a new favourite. That is like, whoa. I'm getting far too excited over a lip colour. It's like almost neon. But yeah. Slip Tease full colour lip oil in shade Vacation. We also have the Epic Ink Liner, which is like, oh, that is a staple in anyone's kit. It's perfect for winged liner. I live by the Epic Ink Liner. Also, when doing the more kind of creative looks, it is perfect for more like my illustrative kind of style and stuff. It came in great use last year, so. And I'm literally, my one is just running out, so yes. Also, the Worth the Hype mascara. Like, this is possibly my favourite mascara. Worth the Hype mascara, again, my current one is just running out, and the Epic Ink Liner are like two of my favourite products, and they both need restocking, so thank you, thank you, thank you, NYX. I'm not quite sure what this is. We have a fancy box in here that is quite heavy, and Naya has been climbing in there, so it's already got cat fluff on it. Heralds of having beautiful fluffy kittens. This is quite heavy. What do we have in here? Ooh, a fabulous little eyeshadow brush. Lots of eyeshadows. We have all of the perfect filter palettes there. These are gorgeous. I think this is my favourite one, which is Rustic Antique. It has some gorgeous colours in there. We also have the Ultimate Brights shadow palette. Ooh, we have the Born to Glow highlight palette, and I've already tried, I think it's that shade, which I use quite a lot. Oh, there's some gorgeous ones. I love a good highlighter. The duochromatic highlighters, which again are some of my favourite products ever. 3 Steps to Sculpt, which looks like, it says Face Sculpting Palette. You get a couple of contour and highlight colours, and then you get a nice shimmery highlight. And yeah, wow, NYX, you have yet again outdone yourselves. I am, so incredibly thankful. Thank you so much. I'm really, really, really excited and itching to get on with a Animal Kingdom look for you. Really hoping we can go a bit further this year. It's time to rock it. Just to be back at this stage feels incredible. I'm so thankful. Keep your eyes on this channel and also on my Instagram over at misskatemonroe.co.uk, and I will have my looks up and ready for you soon. Please, 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 I would love your support throughout this. Let's Make 2018 my year. Come on guys, we can do it. We can do it. 2018 is going to be a good year. And this is like the best early birthday present a girl could ever get. Seriously. So good. So good. Cats are wrestling in the background. Guys. Guys. Yeah, next time I speak to you, I will be 30. That is scary, but this makeup makes it all so much better, and the Face Awards just, it's helping me come to terms with that fact. So yeah, it's a scary year for a girl, so let's make it a good year. Let's rock it. Let's give this competition a proper go this year. So yeah, I'm going to leave you to it, and I will see you all soon. I am living for this